Hello. I'm about to show you a neat little trick that they actually use in the movies. We'll watch this at regular speed and normal style. You know, they move. They got a little bit of jerky motion to it. But if you want to make the jerky motion look really creepy, here's what they do. This is also how they speed up car chases. Because obviously they're not chasing cars at 90 miles an hour on the busy streets of LA. No, what they do is they drive at a normal speed, maybe a little faster than normal, and then they do this. Press S to split. Go to next frame. S to split. Go to next frame, press S to split. Let's see, there's the original. First frame, second frame, delete. So in the next frame you keep. The next frame, you delete. Next frame, you keep. Next frame, you delete. And you just do that over and over of deleting the next frame or every other frame, however you want to put it, until eventually, well, you'll see the finished result at the end. Alright, spend some time chopping it up, and well, this is what it looks like. Like the preview screen. The audio's gonna be off. I'll show you how to fix that soon. It took me a while. It's like 20 minutes of chopping it up like I showed you. But that's what it looks like. Of course you're thinking, well dude, the audio is screwed up. Well, I'll show you how to do that too in just a second. Alright, and here's what you do. I mean, you can just do this. Because what I'm thinking is you're doing a horror film with your friends. You have the ghost, demon, serial killer chasing after them. And, like, no, they're running at normal speed. You have whatever wood sounds, or maybe you have chase music, background music playing while it's going on. But you get the music going, or whatever background music you're using, and so you can see them, like, the serial killers or demon ghost thing is jerking around like that. But let's try to get the sound to match up with this. So you can hit Control first, then slide that over. Get as close as possible. No, don't render yet. Get a little bit closer. Yeah, that should be good. So now you have this. Now it should almost match up. But again, like I said, you'd be using this for like... You'd be using this for a chase scene of the protagonist running through the woods while the thing chasing after them moves at a jerky speed. So, oh, you have the camera on your friend that's running through the woods. They're moving at normal speed. And then, oh, now you have the killer being on camera and they're moving this jerky motion. Then again, you have, like right now I got crickets around the house, so you can hear them probably right now. But you have the crickets, you have a owl hooting in the woods. Maybe you have the sounds like sticks breaking under their feet. You have that going on while you do the frame by frame cut to make the person chasing after them look creepy as shit. So from normal to... Okay, the music still doesn't match up perfectly, but again, I'm thinking of background music. In fact, let me give you an example. Alright, hopefully this hasn't been too confusing, but here's what I'm thinking of. You have this kind of music playing while your protagonist runs through the woods, and then when you show the demon, ghost, monster, Jason Voorhees guy chasing after them, you get that jerky motion. I can just look at like how different the movement is on this. That's a very simple trick that just makes whatever you want on the screen to move in a creepy, jerky, sped up fashion. It looks good to me, because that's what they do in Hollywood for a lot of stuff. Anyways, that's enough of that. Hopefully you get what I'm trying to talk about, because I was thinking about trying to do something like that. So, well, how would you make the person look like, no, they're moving in a weird, jerky, sped up fashion? And that's how. Anyways, thank you for watching. As always, like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a wonderful day.